If you've ever opened a photo in Lightroom and wished it looks sharper, larger, and ready for print, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to increase image resolution in Lightroom using the best quality method available. And it only takes a few clicks. This is perfect for photographers, creators, and anyone who wants to upscale an image without sacrificing too much detail. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom and select the photo you want to upscale. This works best on images where you want to improve detail for printing, cropping, or sharing at a larger size. Once your image is selected, right-click on the photo. From the menu that appears, click Enhance. This is where Lightroom gives you access to advanced image improvement tools. When the Enhance window opens, you'll see an option called Super Resolution. Enable Super Resolution by checking that box. This is the key step because Super Resolution uses Adobe's AI technology to increase the resolution while keeping the image as clean and detailed as possible. It's especially useful if your original photo feels too small or if you need more quality for large displays. After you've enabled Super Resolution, click Enhance. Lightroom will process the image and create a new, higher resolution version of it. Depending on the file size and your computer speed, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Once it's done, you'll now have an upscaled image with increased resolution, and in most cases it will be doubled in width and height compared to the original. That means if your photo was originally small, you now have a much larger version that's much more suitable for editing, printing, or exporting in higher quality. And because this is Lightroom's Super Resolution method, it's one of the best ways to increase image resolution without making the photo look overly soft or artificial. So to quickly recap, right-click your photo, click Enhance, turn on Super Resolution, and hit Enhance again. That's it. Super simple and one of the most effective ways to boost image resolution in Lightroom. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, editing tricks, and easy photography tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.